Hello students and welcome to the economics class. Today we are going to sum up our chapter 10 measures of center tendency, median and mode with some special cases wherein we can calculate mode. The first case today we are going to discuss how to calculate mode in these special circumstances. The first is when class intervals are unequal, means when in the question the continuous series is given with the class intervals which are unequal, means the difference between the upper and lower limits of each class interval is not same. Like for example, when intervals are same like 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, then all these intervals have a gap of 5, 5. So this is known as equal class interval. But unequal class interval means when each interval have a difference different from the another interval. Like for example, one class interval is given as 0 to 5, another is given as 5 to 15, then it is given as 15 to 35. So all these intervals have different gaps or intervals. Clear? So when the class intervals are of unequal types, then firstly we will make them equal. How to make them equal? Whatever the data is given to us, we will find out that the maximum gap of which class interval is there, and we will set all the class intervals according to that gap. Clear? Or we will combine two class intervals to make one, so that each and every class intervals become the same. Clear? So in this way, first of all we will equalize all the class intervals and find out the mode as we find in the continuous series as usual. Clear? Next is when the mid value series is given to us, means intervals are not given to us but their mid values is given. In that case, how to find out mode? First of all, we will convert the mid values, or we will find the class intervals of those mid values one by one, and then we will find out the mode. Third is when the inclusive series is given in the question. Inclusive series, remember, it's a series whereby the class intervals do not include the upper limits, do not exclude the upper limit of the class intervals. Those series is known as inclusive series, means like 0 to 9, 10 to 19, 20 to 29. These class intervals are known as inclusive series. Hereby the 9 is included in this interval and 19 is included in this interval. So this is including the upper limit into the class interval, that's why it is known as inclusive. But to find out mode, firstly we need to convert this inclusive series into exclusive series. Clear? In chapter 9 we have done this concept, how to convert inclusive into exclusive series, and then we will find out our mode. Even in case of median we have done this, that firstly we will convert inclusive into exclusive and then we will find the median or mode. The last is when in the question less than or more than series is given, means the cumulative frequency series is there either with the less than series or more than the series. So firstly we will convert it into simple frequency distribution, means we need to remove the less than and more than effect from the series, convert it into the simple frequency series, and then we will find out the mode. So in this way, in these circumstances, we will find out the mode by converting these circumstances into the simple frequency distribution, and then we will find out the mode either by the inspection method or by the grouping method, whatever is being stated into the question, and applying the formula to calculate the mode.